Welcome to The Why. In our podcast, The Why, we're going to cover topics that are important to SAP customers and to our team. We want you to share this information internally. We want you to share this information outside of SAP Ariba. And we want you to be able to connect with other thought leaders in our business.
Joining me today on our podcast, The Why, is Aamir Rasheed, the Director of Strategy and Innovation for Ariba's Cloud Services organization. Aamir, thank you for joining us today on our podcast, The Why.
Thank you, John.
Aamir, you've been with Ariba for many years, frankly, probably even a little bit longer than I have. And today we're going to be having a conversation about our cloud integration gateway. Do you mind just giving our listeners just a little bit of background about yourself and what you've been doing here at Ariba for nearly 18 years?
Sure. So for almost all of those 18 years, I've been part of various roles within delivery, helping our buy-side customers deploy, maintain, and enhance their SAP Ariba solutions. In my last role, prior to joining the strategy innovation team, I built out a global integration team with members in all four major regions, North America, EMEA, Latin America, and APJ, to help our buy-side customers integrate their existing enterprise assets with their SAP Ariba solutions. In this current role, as director in our strategy and innovation team, I'm part of the overall delivery organization for both buy and sell side customers, partnering with our product and innovation, what we call our P&I team. P&I is where engineering, product management, and solutions management reside, working together to build out all the new innovations for our customers. Strategy and Innovation's mission is to ensure both our buy-side and sell-side customers adopt the latest innovations, with my specific area covering platform, which includes SAP Ariba Cloud Integration Gateway.
Got it. Obviously, the network is core to Ariba's strategy. It's becoming core to the new digital enterprise strategy that SAP has rolled out. But tell me, obviously, buyers and suppliers have been integrating into SAP or integrating into the network for a long time, right? We've had lots of tools to help these companies integrate. What's so unique about the Cloud Integration Gateway? And what does it do differently than sort of how buyers and suppliers were working before?
Sure. So all of the solutions that we provided in the past to do integration with the Ariba network and with our SAP Ariba solutions were all sort of on-premise tools. The SAP Ariba Cloud Integration Gateway is the first one we've delivered, which is a cloud integration solution. It's based in the cloud and it's based on SAP Cloud Platform integration. It makes it easier for our customers to adopt new innovations, such as new integration points and capabilities, and provides a lower total cost of ownership for our customers. For buy-side customers, it simplifies the connectivity between SAP ERP and S/4HANA with the SAP Ariba Cloud solutions by the use of the SAP Cloud Connector. For our sell-side customers, it provides an additional array of integration formats, bringing up to 2 standard formats supported by the Ariba network to currently a total of 10 supported formats, with more to come.
Gotcha. So it really sounds like it gives our customers a little bit more flexibility, and I think, as you pointed out, the fact that we actually now have a cloud solution was probably part of the background here. But tell me, why did we decide to go this way? Is this sort of the trend of the future, or as we were looking at the roadmap between us and SAP and us and all the other solutions that our customers are using, was this something that we said this is really a necessity?
So definitely we looked at it as the wave of the future. On the buy side, we actually worked with SAP, and it's now the recommended method of integration between S/4HANA on-premise edition and SAP Ariba solutions, as recommended in the 2018 SAP CIO Guide on Integration. And for both the buy side and sell side, new innovations are planned for every quarter this year and going into next year on the official roadmap.
That's fantastic. So is this the only option now going forward, for integration? Or is this certainly the option we recommend? How many choices do our buyers and suppliers have, or frankly, do they even need, right? Is this really the way everybody should be doing integration, into the SAP and Ariba cloud?
It's definitely the way of the future. On the buy side, it's the recommended integration for S/4HANA On-Premise Edition, as documented in SAP's 2018 CIO Guide on Integration. On both the buy and the sell side, there are new innovations planned for every quarter on the official roadmap.
So Aamir, you mentioned TCO certainly as a benefit when you're talking about sort of a little bit about the why we did this. Is that the only benefit to buyers and suppliers? Is there speed? Is there quality? What does this do for our community that is really trying to connect, collaborate, and move right to a more digital experience between companies?
Total cost of ownership, TCO, is definitely a benefit. You get out from having to manage upgrading your integration solutions, which you would have had to with previous and current on-premise integration solutions, but it's not the only benefit. One additional benefit is simplicity. You go to one place to deploy your integrations and manage them. And on another benefit is testing. SAP Ariba Cloud Integration Gateway comes with something we call Test Central, which provides enhanced testing capabilities that allow you to better manage the testing process.
I've certainly heard that from many customers and talking to them on certainly the simplicity side and making sure that they've got the ability to do more end-to-end testing. I'm also assuming this brings some benefit to our cloud services team. Does this make the process, again, better, faster, easier, all of those things for our consulting team and for our partners that'll be using the Cloud Integration Gateway?
Definitely. On the buy side, the story is so much simpler. I went around the world training a global team on how to do integration, and I had to pull up multiple summary slides to explain the different integration options, formats, technologies, all of that. And it was a very complex thing to explain to our delivery people for them to go around and then explain to our customers and our partners. With CIG, it definitely simplifies things, because now we just go, if your enterprise resource planning system, your ERP is SAP, whether it's Business Suite or S/4HANA, the answer is simply SAP Ariba Cloud Integration Gateway. And then on the sell side, CIG expands the number of options available with out-of-the-box mappings from just 2 to 8 additional formats, and it really makes it easier for our suppliers as well.
Excellent. So as our team is out talking to customers, buyers and suppliers, whether it's a sales team, a consulting team, the supplier account management team, how would we describe this, right, to our customers, and what are the things you want to make sure we understand that make this different and better, from the competition?
Yeah. So the thing is focused on is the rapid pace of innovation of SAP Ariba solutions nowadays. And the strategy innovation team within delivery has a mission to ensure that all of our delivery team members are kept up to date with those latest innovations. All right. Those innovations at times are coming out monthly, quarterly, and we're working with our delivery team members to make sure that they're kept abreast of the most current innovations in the roadmap, as well as the upcoming near-term ones in the next year. What this does is allows our delivery team members to best advise the customer on not only what to do, but as well how to do it. And this is something that our SAP Ariba team members focus on exclusively to do, is to make sure we know how and what to tell our customers when it comes to integrating their SAP Ariba solutions to their existing enterprise assets.
Well, Aamir, this was super helpful. It really seems like we've moved more cloud, moved more into the cloud and moved more cloud-like from a speed, simplicity, and flexibility. I'll let you have sort of the closing comments, closing remarks on what do you think this is going to mean for our team and any other things that you want to make sure that our consulting team or services teams know about the Cloud Integration Gateway.
So let me wrap up by saying I just want to make sure people realize that this doesn't mean we're stopping. Yes, this latest release of the SAP Ariba Cloud Integration Gateway brings the Cloud Integration Gateway to buyers, but that doesn't mean that we are done. The SAP Ariba Cloud Integration Gateway has its own roadmap as documented on SAP.com with items planned for Q3, Q4, Q1 of 2019, and beyond. On top of that, all net new integration functionality for both buy-side and sell-side with SAP ERP and S/4HANA On-Premise Edition is planned to occur with the SAP Ariba Cloud Integration Gateway. So yes, while those current integration solutions are still available, if you want to take advantage of the latest and greatest, the new things and new capabilities, you'll want to move to SAP Ariba Cloud Integration Gateway. An example of this is that in 2019, we plan to bring an updated and improved end-to-end integration between SAP ERP or S/4HANA On-Premise Edition and the sell-side Ariba network. So remember, SAP Ariba Cloud Integration is not just to help you integrate now, but to support your integrations into the future as well. And lastly, we know a lot of customers and partners are eager to know more about SAP Ariba Cloud Integration Gateway. As a result, the education team has put together a course about SAP Ariba Cloud Integration Gateway and is delivering that course globally every quarter. We've got courses going on in Q3, we've got courses going on in Q4, and planning for 2019. So look on the SAP Ariba education site for more information about those. Thank you, John, for this opportunity to let everyone know about SAP Ariba Cloud Integration Gateway.
Yeah, Aamir, it was really great to catch up with you. We've been at this company for a while, and it's super exciting to hear about some of our latest innovation. So, Aamir, thank you for joining us this week on our podcast, The Why.
Thank you, John.
Our podcast, The Why, is put together by the People First team. We'll be producing The Why on a regular basis. If you have recommendations for topics, please contact the People First team. And please share this podcast with other members of our team or even outside our team. Thank you for listening to The Why.